Hey guys, welcome to 360k Hub. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and click on the notification bell to get updated when I post videos like this. So today I'm going to show you Windows tricks you don't know. Without wasting much time, let's hop into it. How to access previous copied items. On your desktop, click Windows plus V. A clipboard pop-up will appear to show you previous copied items. It stores text, photos, and screenshots. You can't see it on my desktop because I haven't copied anything yet. How to hide your activities on Windows. When you are busy with something and don't want anyone to know, click Windows plus D to quickly hide all your windows and go back to desktop like if you were doing nothing. Thanks for watching.